Welcome to the Basilica of Bom Jesus, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Basilica of Bom Jesus is a model of simplicity and elegance along with a fine example of Jesuit architecture. Apart from being a popular tourist destination, the Basilica of Bom Jesus is a sacred place for thousands of people who visit the Basilica daily to pay their respects and seek the blessings of Saint Francis Xavier, the patron saint of Goa. As we extend a warm welcome to our visitors, we also request you to follow certain guidelines that will help us to maintain the sanctity of the place as well as ensure that you have a pleasant experience and take back precious memories of your visit to the Basilica of Bom Jesus. As the Basilica is a sacred place, we request you to maintain silence once you enter into the church. Kindly wear decent clothes in order to be allowed entry inside the Basilica. Visitors not wearing decent clothes appropriate for sacred places will not be permitted to enter. We also request you not to use your phones once you enter the church. No luggage will be permitted for security reasons. We also request you to take care of your belongings. We are not responsible for any loss or damage to your belongings. Remember to take off your caps and hats once you enter the church in order to maintain the sanctity of the place. No pets will be allowed. Similarly, drinking, smoking and vaping is strictly prohibited. We request you to help us keep the place clean. Do not litter and kindly use the dustbins in the vicinity to throw your waste. Photography inside is strictly prohibited. Similarly, as a mark of respect to our patron saint, we request you not to eat any snacks, food items, ice cream, etc. inside the church. We do not encourage guides as we wish that you receive accurate information about the Basilica of Bom Jesus. For that reason, we have a variety of guided tours available online on our site that will help you to get acquainted with the rich heritage of the Basilica of Bom Jesus. Kindly note that the Basilica is open for visitors from Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and on Sundays from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Although other tourist sites may have wrong information regarding the timings, we request you to strictly adhere to the timings mentioned by us to ensure that you have a pleasant experience. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive timely updates regarding changes in timings, closures and other facts concerning the Basilica of Bom Jesus. Here are the timings for the daily Mass at the Basilica of Bom Jesus. From Monday to Saturday, we have the Konkani Mass at 7 a.m. while the English Mass is at 8 a.m. On Sundays, we have Konkani Mass at 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. while the English Mass is at 9:15 a.m. There is Mass at the Chapel of Saint Francis Xavier on the 6th of every month at 10 a.m. Thank you for your patience and we hope you have a pleasant experience at the Basilica of Bom Jesus. For any queries, feel free to contact us during office hours.